right, everybody, look who showed up.
Hey-o, back again.
I'm so glad. Austin is going to try something today. This is the oil sending unit plug off of the Corvette. Now it's, get up here where you can see it. The wire is just a little bit toasty, but this plug is molded to the clip in there. Austin's going to try and get that out, and he's going to put a new wire and a new clip in and push it in. That way it can plug right in and look exactly like it should and be exactly like it should.
Hopefully factory. Well,
Well,
better than factory.
better than factory. That's it. So I'm going to film him doing that. While I get on the car and I am doing other things to it, I'll have the camera going on that. So we'll have 2 cameras going today, which is awesome. And we will see what all we can get done. Hopefully we can get this electrical squared away on this car finally.
Fingers crossed.
But I plan on soldering every connection. I plan on heat shrinking every connection. So when it's done right, and we're not going to have none of this.
A hodgepodge nightmare.
Yeah, see what? It was toasty here, connection here. It was just tied and taped here, wasn't it?
No, it was another crimp and tape.
Crimp and tape. There's a couple on there that's just tied together. So, yeah, we're going to do better. So, let's get busy.
Alrighty.
Anything new going on with you, Austin?
Same nightmare, you know.
Same nightmare?
Same old nightmare.
Gotta love Lowe's.
Just life.
Sonic, not sponsored. I'm waiting on you guys. Come on.
That'd be great.
All right, let's get to it. All right, everybody. The wiring is to the point of I can put that motor in. I can put the motor in.
You can put the motor in?
I can. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to pass out.
Don't pass out. Stay standing. We don't want you falling in the engine bay.
Now, that wiring over there, I'm going to wait till I get the motor in, get that done. This right here is the hot wire for the ignition and the tack wire, oil pressure wire, temp sensors over on that side. This is for the high-low sensor on the air conditioning. Starter, alternator wire. This right here is for the hood light. I want to see if that's even going to be able to be saved. If it's not, I'm going to snip them, take this out, and just do away with it. But all this right here loomed up real nice. It looks good. It looks good. But my snap-on soldering iron had a short in the cord. So Austin is putting me a new cord on. Thank you, Austin.
No problem. Cord is lovely, donated by Trash Can.
There you go.
Lovingly donated by Trash Can.
Those are best.
Yeah.
Those are the best. All right, so we're going to let him do that, and we'll close out this video here in just a minute.
Oh yeah, that's much better. Pretty warm.
Getting more
Yeah.
consistent.
Nice.
All right.
Well, there you go. All
Thank
repaired.
you.
Courtesy of Lowe's Trash Can.
Lay her on the table.
Oh.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Got hot.
It got hot.
Yeah.
Next time, I promise we're going to try and start earlier.
Okay.
Like
I wake up usually around 5 p.m.
5 p.m., not a.m.
No, p.m.
p.m. Okay.
I'm awake around 5 p.m. till, now.
So 5 a.m. to 10 a.m., be a good 5 hours and get you home by noon. And it won't even start getting hot by then.
Noon, 1. I could do 1. 1's good.
Okay.
Whenever it starts getting hot, I'll boogie.
Well, I think we went past it today.
Yeah.
But we got that wiring done, and it looks great.
Ugh.
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you so
my
much.
pleasure. This is what I do to stay sane.
All righty. Well, hopefully, the next time you come, that thing is off the rack. We got Jim's pickup on it, and I'll have the Caballero washed and ready to start sanding. You're wanting to try out that new sandpaper.
Absolutely.
And thank you to Benchmark Abrasives for sending that to me. We're going to get you a good video here soon. But, yeah, that's... Once we get started, in depth on that bodywork, it's not going to take long.
Oh, no. It'll take time, yeah, but...
Well, I mean, I say within a week we should have that thing ready to paint.
Sounds good.
Because, I mean, there's nothing to it. I mean, it's...
Well, once we get to that point, I'll just bring my sleeping bag out and I'll sleep in the shop here.
Okay.
Spend 2 or 3 nights out here.
Oh, that'd be nice. But all right, we're going to end this video. As I said again, thank you, Austin.
Thank you for having me.
You bet. Are you learning anything yet?
Paint, electrical, some things.
Well,
More body putty work. That's something that I'm definitely learning.
Well, we definitely need to get back on that tailgate and get that finished up. But it's on its way. It's on its way.
Hard to do a lot of sanding on body putty whenever everything's open.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're going to end it off here. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Santa's Workshop.
Have a good one.